Hello students, how are you? I think you are well at home, and I am also well by the grace of God. I am N.K. Jha from APS. In previous class we have discussed the lesson, the topic, the fun they had. In this topic we have discussed about the futures school, and how the futures school will be. That kinds of topic we have to know, and we have discussed something and some points. So you should have to think about it, because it's very, very necessary, because you are the future of the country. And this is the talk, future talk of the world. In future, a school, how the circumstances will be. We should think about that, because it's very, very important and necessary for all of you according to Standard 9. According to Standard 9, you have to concentrate it about the futures school. And according to author, the two character, the first and chief character is Margie. She is girl. She is only 11 years old girl. But on the other hand, Tommy, he is a boy, but he is senior to Margie. He is 13 years old boy. Understand? And we have also studied some facts about Margie. She is a girl, but what is her nature? What is her behavior? And which kind of discussion between Margie and Tommy? So very interesting topic that is. The topic is a school, because discussing about a school. Tommy is telling again and again about a school. And on the other hand, Margie became so faded, so sad to hear the word school. So some reason we have studied also, because some downfalling is showing in the performance of Margie. Her mother became so sad and made a plan by her about the teacher, because she had not good thought about the teacher. She used to anger, she used to irritate with teacher, and always be irritated with word school. So that facts we have studied the day before, and according to this para we have to understand the theme. Next will be 6. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of a school. Stupid. Stupid means बेवकूफ़, महामूर्ख, मूर्ख नहीं महामूर्ख। यह हम लोगों के तरह का स्कूल नहीं होगा, नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट आवर काइंड ऑफ ए स्कूल। दिस इज द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ ए स्कूल। दिस इज द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ ए स्कूल दैट दे हैड हंड्रेड्स एंड हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स एगो। यह 100 वर्ष पहले का स्कूल है, ये हमारे तरह का स्कूल नहीं है। He added loftily. Loftily means in a superior way. Pronouncing the word carefully. अच्छे तरह से उच्चारण करते हुए centuries ago, मतलब centuries ago, centuries मतलब शताब्दी के पहले का स्कूल है ये। मैगी वॉज हर्ड टू हियर द वर्ड स्कूल, दैट इज द नेचर ऑफ मैगी। वेल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए स्कूल दे हैड ऑल दैट टाइम एगो। आई हैव नो एनी आइडिया, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए स्कूल दे हैड। मतलब मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं पता, मैं नहीं जानती हूँ कि उनके पास किस तरह के स्कूल थे। ऑल दैट टाइम अगो मतलब पहले। शी read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said anyway they had a teacher. फिर उसने मैगी ने कुछ देर उसके शोल्डर के ऊपर बुक रख के पढ़ाई की और फिर कहा ठीक है चलो जाने दो कोई बात नहीं, बट दे हैड अ टीचर। मतलब उनके पास जो है सो क्या थे, शिक्षक थे, टीचर थे पढ़ाने के लिए। अभी आप फ्यूचर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक अबाउट द फ्यूचर्स स्कूल। सो इन फ्यूचर स्कूल टीचर will not present in the class, and on place of teacher robot can play major role. Robot can play the role of teachers. So उस समय टीचर होता था, बट इस समय टीचर नहीं होगा। जिस टॉपिक की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं उस टॉपिक में रोबोटिक टीचर होगा। पहले ही हमने जिक्र कर दिया है और आपने देखा भी उसको और उसके बारे में भी बताया गया। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, श्योर दे हैड अ टीचर बट इट वाज नॉट अ रेगुलर टीचर, इट वाज अ मैन। उनके पास टीचर था लेकिन इट वाज अ रेगुलर टीचर। कैसा टीचर था? रेगुलर टीचर। इट वाज अ मैन, और वह मैन था, आदमी था। अ मैन, हाउ कुड अ मैन बी अ टीचर? एक इंसान, एक आदमी किस तरह से टीचर हो सकता है? वेल, ही जस्ट टोल्ड द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स थिंग्स एंड गेव देम होमवर्क एंड आस्क्ड देम क्वेश्चन। मतलब वो बच्चों से कहते थे, लड़कियों से कहते थे कि होमवर्क लिखो, उन्हें होमवर्क दिया जाता था। एंड आस्क्ड देम क्वेश्चन, और उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता था। ओके, सो दिस वाज द कंपैरिजन अबाउट schools and futures school. And the next topic, next passage will be number 7, but you have studied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 according to your knowledge, according to your idea. You have to write as a summary of these particular stanza and number 7 particular para. And number 7, a man isn't smart enough, sure he is my father. आदमी ज़्यादा स्मार्ट नहीं है, श्योर ही इज माई फादर, मतलब वह निश्चित ही मेरे पापा हैं, एज मच एज माई टीचर, ठीक मेरे टीचर के तरह. ओके, ही नोज ऑलमोस्ट एज मच, मैं उन्हें लगभग जानता हूँ. I betcha is the word and refers for bet you. I am sure, मतलब मैं bet करता हूँ, लगाता हूँ. Okay, Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. That means from number 7 we have to study 7, 8, 9. Topic number 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 4 topics you have to study first. And in next class we shall try to explain part 7, 8, 9, 10. And today you have studied number 6, number 5 and some topic which is related from number 4. So 1 to 6 you will have to topic from 1 to 6 you have to understand, you have to read the text because it's very very necessary, and according to text you can better understand. And finally I will try summary. Okay, whenever it will finish, after that you can learn and hear about the summary of this particular lesson. So firstly you have to read the text again and again. I am telling, it is the great work for you and you have a lot of time because you are totally free. So read text more and more and gain more and more knowledge. Okay, thanks.